Estate planning is the process of organizing and setting forth your wishes so that once you do ultimately pass away, your people, your beneficiaries, your loved ones will inherit what you want them to inherit, when you want them to inherit, and how you want them to inherit. In addition, it's not just about the end of life and your inheritance to your loved ones. It's also about planning for potential incapacity, and it's also about planning for potential long-term care needs. Estate planning can accomplish many objectives. It's not just about preparing written documents and signing them. It's about what they're going to do for you. So, for example, a last will and testament actually requires a probate proceeding, which is a lengthy, costly, and very public proceeding. So estate planning can help that family avoid the probate proceeding, keeps the family out of the court to save the time, save the money, as well as keep the things private. In addition, estate planning can accomplish protecting the inheritance as it transfers down to the next generation. One of the things we do for our clients every single day of the week is making sure that an inheritance when it's passing down to a child of a certain age or a certain maturity, we want to make sure that it's sheltered and protected so as they age, they're not going to be spending the money frivolously. In addition, estate planning can allow a couple with young children to name a guardian over those children. If there's a need for a probate proceeding after a parent passes away, the court is going to appoint a guardian over that minor child, even if there's a surviving parent. It'll be a temporary guardian, but it's still something that you don't want the family to go through. So avoiding court proceedings, avoiding that type of a temporary guardianship if possible, is something that we're going to want to do. In addition, estate planning can in addition to keeping the family out of court, an estate plan can establish backup decision makers in case there is any incapacity down the road. Also, estate planning can make sure we're protecting assets from long-term care expenses, from nursing home expenses. It can also help you, if you're working with the right firms such as ours, it can help you make sure that you have the appropriate level of care in the house, in your home, if that actually should be needed. Finally, you're looking at estate taxes as far as saving money. It can be costs, it can be expenses, and it can be taxation. So there's a whole host of benefits to estate planning for everyday people.